Well, today's a weird day. I bought this GoPro like 8 months ago, and I've been filming random videos and little clips here and there, and I haven't done anything with these videos. I literally just took the time, recorded it, and it's just been sitting inside the SD card doing nothing. And today I decided that, I'm just gonna pick it up and record what I'm getting into today. Well, I guess I'll start off by introducing myself. My name is Ravi, and I decided to create a channel called That Brown Car Guy because I'm brown and I like cars. So I put 2 and 2 together, and there you go. A catchy YouTube name. I like just about anything: cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, boats, motorcycles. This channel is gonna be mainly around cars and trucks and SUVs and things like that, and maybe I'll include some motorcycles that are on the road. But for right now, it's just simple things that I enjoy doing. I enjoy doing things like detailing and window tinting, vinyl wrapping, buying and selling cars, and flipping it and seeing if I can make a little extra profit on the car. I do it a lot, and I want to share it and help people, and people help me while I'm doing it. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing today. Is I'm gonna be working on finishing up my Infiniti QX56 so I can sell it and get rid of it and go on to the next project. So that being said, I'm gonna hop out of my Acura here, my daily driver, and I'll walk around my QX here, and then I'll pull it into the shop and start working on it. This is the old Acura. Maybe in a few days I'll make a video of me washing it up, and maybe do a little walk around and say what I did to it so far. Well, here's the project for today. My 2008 Infiniti QX56. This thing has 223,000 miles. It's a one-owner car, and I bought it a few months ago because it was a good candidate to buy and sell and flip it quick, but I ended up keeping it way longer than what I planned on. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish it here in the next few days and see if I can sell it and let it go and move on to the next one. But for today, I got to finish up the interior, deep cleaning it, and clean the carpets, the seats, and all the cracks and crevices and things like that. And I got some things falling apart here, but I got those parts on the way, and I'll be able to replace those in the next few days. Well, there it is, my project for today. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up to the shop here and start washing it. Well, there it is. She's all washed up, all shiny, dressed up pretty nice. I paint corrected it a few weeks ago, so I did a lot of the buffing and all the time-consuming stuff out of the way. There's like some deeper scratches on the paint that needs more than compound. But overall, for a 200,000 mile SUV, it looks pretty good. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it inside. Gotta get a new glove. So close to being finished. I have a few more things to put back in the car. I got to do a leather conditioner, and after that, we should be good to go. I'm finally finished with this thing. All day on it. She came out real nice. Almost getting there. I just gotta replace some interior pieces, but overall, it for a 200,000 mile SUV came out really nice. Really nice. Full interior scrub down, steam clean. I didn't carpet extract the carpets because they didn't really need it. I just needed to refresh them and get a little bit of light staining removed from the carpets. But overall, it came out really nice. I got this piece coming soon in a few days, so I can replace it. But overall, that's basically what I had planned here today for the QX. Well, that's it for the first video. I hope you all liked it. Comment what you thought. Hit a like button, subscribe. I have a lot of things planned that I want to do with this car and my Acura, and then later down the road. So I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.